Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge multiple cells in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I insert a table in this document. At first you have to go insert menu. Now you can see here a table option. Now draw your table. Now select this table and make it better to see this table. Now you can see here are my table. Now I merge multiple cells in this table. Click on your mouse and select some multiple cells to drag on your mouse. Then right click on this selected multiple cells. Now you can see here are merge option. Click this merge option. Now you can see I merge multiple cells in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.